Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into Clash Royale with your Supercell ID. If you're reinstalling the game or switching devices, Supercell ID is the safest way to log in. Open Clash Royale and wait for the main screen to load. Then tap the menu option, the three-line option in the top right corner, then choose Supercell ID. After that, select login and enter the email linked to your Supercell ID. Now, search for the verification code. Go ahead and open your Gmail, and then check if your verification code is there. If not, try checking your promotion folder and also your spam. Sometimes the verification code might end up in there as well. After you find your code, you're going to enter the code exactly as received. Once verified, your account will sync automatically with all progress and card trophies. If asked which account to load, always choose the one with higher progress to avoid overriding data. After login complete, you're fully restored and protected, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.